How to create text refill animation in Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create or add text refill animation in your Wix Studio website. It's gonna be very easy and simple steps. So first you have to log into your Wix Studio account and then you can choose the website. I'm gonna choose this one. And then you will be in that website dashboard. As you can see, you can navigate to edit site here. You can click on it. After that, you will be redirected to your website editor. This is my website editor. So I'm gonna add new section here, and then I'm gonna add an element, text element here. We're gonna drag and drop here, and then we're gonna add the text, maybe tutorials with Sena, and I'm gonna make it bigger. So maybe I'm gonna make it bigger, like this. Yeah, like this. And put it in the center. Cool. Now, if you want to add the text refill animation, we can select it by select layer, right click, select a layer, and then choose the text, and then open the inspector, this one, and go to animation and effects, and you will find scroll animation here. Now you can click add, and then scroll until you find the reveal. This one you can click it. After that, let's see. So let's preview it. What will happen? Hold on. So as you can see, there is the refill effect. It's from bottom to top. So we're gonna adjust it. We're gonna customize it. Click again, open the inspector, and then click the animation and click adjust here. So now you can change the direction. So maybe you want to change it to from right, like this, or from left, like this. So yeah, or even from top and bottom. It's up to you. So I'm gonna choose from left because I think it's cool, like this. But basically it's done how to add refill animation, but we're gonna make it cooler by uh, duplicate this text. Where's duplicate this one? And then uh, this one we're gonna select it and then open the inspector and we're gonna delete the animation. Oops, we're gonna delete it, remove it. Hold on, remove. So this one is don't have the animation, and we're gonna change the opacity. Can go back to here, and then we have to find opacity. This one we can change it to 35 maybe, like this. Then we're gonna put it like this, and then so if we preview it, it will be like this. It's cooler, right? You can play around and then you can explore more. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.